Hi everyone, Rainey here with Why Am I Green, and today I'm going around to different stores looking for buckets, 5-gallon buckets. And right now I'm in Walmart, so I'm going to show you what I found here, and then we're going to some other stores to compare quality and prices and even colors. So let me show you what I found. So the 5-gallon buckets are right down here. There's the white one they have, and it's for $4.28. Now as you get later in the season, you usually get a lot more of a selection in different colors, but let's take a look. I got one here in my carriage. Okay, so it's a good sturdy looking bucket. Let's see, it's strong here at the top. It has the reinforcement, which is good because when I start drilling into them I don't want them to crack over there. And one of my favorite things about it is right over here. It says food grade. That's very important. Again, they're brand new buckets, and I think most of them are, but I like that this is food grade. If you're into all the different things about it, it's BPA free and all this good stuff, but food grade's good enough for me. So that would be a good one because it looks like it would hold the pressure of me drilling into it, which I'm going to show you in another video what I do with them when I make my systems. So this is Walmart. We're now in Home Depot checking out their buckets, and Home Depot has the famous Homer bucket. You ever heard of the Homer bucket? Why do they call it the Homer bucket? I have no idea. If anybody knows, let me know. Nice looking bucket, strong reinforced at the top just like the other ones, and it also doesn't say anything about food safe, but they all have children falling into them. So I guess if you want to grow a child, they don't want you to do it head first. Plant them feet first. I'm kidding, don't do it. Okay. These here actually go for $3.98. So that's a very good price. $3.98. The orange Homer bucket. Okay, here we are in Lowe's, and let's see what they have here. They have the Lowe's blue bucket, and they are $4.98 each. And if you buy 4, you get them for $4.23. So that's actually a very good price if you're going to buy 4 of them. Again, it's reinforced pretty nice. And let's see what it says here. Let's see, it talks about children, keep away, and I don't see anything about food. Doesn't say anything on the tag, so if they are food safe, I don't know. And here we are at Harbor Freight, and they have 5-gallon buckets also, and as you can see down there, they are $4.98. And let's take a look at them. There's a very similar lip to it like the Walmart one did. And once again, do not plant children. And nice Harbor Freight sign in the front. It's a nice color. Again, I don't know about the food safe. I actually think all the buckets are made the same way, and I think they're, again, that's my opinion, they may all be food safe, but you're going to want to check if that's a big thing for you. So $4.98, Harbor Freight red bucket. Okay, so now it's time to tally up what I found out today. Let me get my notes out. All right, Walmart had the buckets for $4.28. Home Depot had them for $3.98. That's the cheapest so far. Lowe's, the blue bucket, was $4.98, which is higher, but if you bought 4, they were $4.23 each. So they come in second if you buy in bulk. Otherwise, it's Walmart second. And Harbor Freight was $4.98. So other than that, all 4 of them seem to be good quality. All 4 of them had the reinforced wall, I guess you could say. As for food safe, they may be. You check and let me know so I can put it on the video in the comments. But the only one that said food safe on it was the Walmart one. And what was the other thing it said? It was, oh gosh, BPA free. BPA. I don't know if that's like the CIA or the PTA, Parent Teacher Association. No. Anyways, there was something free that sounds good. So that's what you have for choices. They're all good buckets. They all cost pretty much the same, okay? But you probably want to know which one did I buy. Ta-da! I went out and bought seven of the Walmart ones. And not because of the price, because like I said, they're not the least expensive, okay? They were number 2 for individual ones, but in a group, they would have been number 3 because Lowe's would have still been cheaper. And I like that it was food grade, but that's not even the reason I bought them. The reason I bought them is they're white. I'm using these for planting. I'm going to be making Alaska Dutch buckets with them. So they're going to have grow bags in there and all kinds of sand and all that. And if they're out in a really hot sunny day, darker colors absorb more heat. Lighter colors keep it cooler. So problem I had last time I used these in the place I'm going to be putting them, that's a surprise for later. The place was really sunny and my plants were kind of overheating. I had to keep on changing even my reservoir of water every day or so. I had to put some cool water in there so they didn't cook. I want my plants to cook when I'm ready to cook them, not when Mother Nature wants to cook them. So that's what I did. But do I use the others? Sure. Matter of fact, if you come around here and look right down there, look at that. I got a couple of the Homer buckets there upstairs with my system. Matter of fact, with this Alaska system that I'm making, I actually have a couple of the blue buckets that are already done. They have my float in there, so I use those too. But they're not going to be in the sun. They're going to be like in the middle of everything. So I think all the buckets are just as good. The prices are really close. If you're using them for construction or for lugging things around, you can get any of them. But for what I'm using, I like the white ones. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see what I do with these. And when I come up with the video on punching holes in them and how I do it and where I do it and all that, you'll be notified. And with that, happy planting and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.